All right, we should be live. G'day everyone, Aussie Trader here. This is my first stream, and I was thinking, you know, what better way to start than US election day? So should be exciting. Heaps of volatility, well, let's try and make a bit of money. So feel free to participate, send me messages, all that stuff. All right. Might turn this bloody echo off. There we go. I'm not hearing myself now, so that should be a bit better. Okay. Let's see. What have we got? Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, thank you. All right. Wait for the market to do something useful. Okay. $2.10. Okay. Let's see what happens here. All right. Alrighty. Okay, music's a bit loud, okay. Turn it down a little bit. How's that? How's that now? Is that better? Okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, 15 on the right and 1 on the left it is. Can you see the heading now? Up the top there? Up here? Or is the text too small? Maybe. It might need to sweep up here, you know, the 230, what's that, 226 level? Or possibly even what's that, 247 before it then comes back down, but it's in a short-term uptrend at least. There it goes. There's our sweep. Let's see if it stays up there. Okay. Okay, there's a little pullback. Sure. What's that? Window with your face could be a bit bigger under 15-minute timestamp, so okay. Like that? How's that? Just don't want to block too much of the screen. It doesn't work on Quantower when I use that because it's got stuff down here you need. But, you know, I'll just move it around, I guess, when we get to that. Okay, all right. Nope. First 10 minutes almost done. Okay, we're almost there. So we've got what's that, 246, 247, and then 287. Let's see. Might be able to take a little 10-point scalp here. See what it does. I think it's got to go here though to 247 first. Little pullback, okay. Might actually, I'll try buying it, see if what we get here. See how bad this goes. Oops. Put that just down those wicks. Let's see what happens. 247. Oh, wow, it's actually going to come back down. What a great start, eh? Yeah, it might actually come down here, but I don't really want to move that stop too much more than that. Yeah, it's going to come back down here. Okay. There it goes. Oh, almost got it. Little bounce. We'll see. It's going to come back down and have another go, though. Yeah, there she goes. Oh, it must have been within a quarter of a point. Yeah, it was too. Wow. Okay. Let's see. I would have thought it would have actually got up to 249 before it came back down like that, but you know, been wrong before, and there we go, stopped out. Okay, all right. So how far are we going to come down? Yeah, should have taken the short. Yeah, that's right. Ah, well. It just seemed, you know, up here, normally it'd want to sweep that level where the stops are before it then reversed, in my observations, I guess, but, you know, maybe it'll just bloody go back up again now on us and do that and then come down again properly, who knows? Or just keep going up. Could be, you know, could do whatever it wants. And it will do whatever it wants, actually. Alright, what do we got? Another new 1 minute, okay. Yeah, it's just a bad entry. Should have waited a bit for it, looks like. Oh, let's try another one, another long here. Hopefully we can get the right move up this time. What do we got? 248. Alright, and we'll put stop down here, which is probably a bit wide, but it is what it is. No. Let's see. Now I think if it gets up here, it's going to keep going, so we'll buy stop. Whoops. Should be a market. Buy stop market up there, and then a second sell limit up there. Let's see what we get. Use the force, that's right, yeah. It's not really pushing up with the momentum I'd like, but we'll see. Getting stuck here at these wicks. Hopefully it'll get through it. Well. Okay, got past a little bit. Keep going. Okay, back down here again. Yeah, it could come down here again now. Guess we'll find out. Not looking amazing, but let's see. Yes, not good. Okay, come on, let's go. At least my entry is half decent, I guess, but we'll find out. Another bounce. Oh, back down again. Okay. I think looks like it's going to push back down. Yeah. Okay. Come on, let's go back up, please. Oh, horrible. Yeah. Hopefully it's sort of chopping to build for a decent pushback up again. What are we at? Okay, 2 minutes on the 10 minute. Okay, let's see if we can get past this 227 area again. Come on, push. That's better. Keep going. Okay, we're in 2 now. Let's see if we get our stops. Hey, there's 1. And I'll take it off there because it looks like it's rejecting. All right, we're back up 415. So that wasn't, a complete disaster this time. So that's good. Now let's see what it does up here at 248. It's looking a bit like it's going to. Oh, there you go. Going to push through there as I started to think about it. Got a lot of resistance here as well, but it could just keep going up. It's got a fair bit to recover on the 15. It's got. Wow, yeah, it's got a lot. Go all the way up there, I guess, but who knows? At least it's not boring anyway. Okay, now let's switch to account 19. 19. Okay, all right, let's see how this one goes. I'm trying to fix this up a bit. So what do we got? We've got 287. I'll just put a line there. Okay, so we've got that level, we've got this level. These blue ones here that I've added previously, obviously, the other day. I wonder what they were. Obviously back here somewhere, okay. I'll leave them there, probably less relevant being a bit older, but... what's this one here? Okay, alright, well let's see what we get. Okay. Okay, so it has pushed past, slightly past what we're at. Okay. Let's see what it does here. It may just rip up to 286 quite quickly. Switch to the 5 minute and have a look at that. Yeah, okay. Just going up. Alrighty. Okay. Now it could just be consolidating here to blast off. Looks like it might be. Back down here and... Okay, chart. Okay. To five points in the chart. There we go. Let's see. Profit target. Depends, I guess, but I thought, you know, $500 per account is probably a doable target without overdoing it. You know, when I try to push too hard, I usually end up, you know, getting up a fair bit and then losing it and then fighting for hours trying to get back to where I, you know, thought I should have finished for the day. And then, you know, often that goes really poorly and end up, you know, hitting daily loss limit or, you know, even worse. But, you know, it's a lesson I've been learning the hard way for a while now, I guess. So we'll try and be a bit more disciplined. Okay, so there was still pretty bullish, but it is slowing down. I would expect it to, you know, pull back down at least to this area to keep going up, but who knows? So it could even be worth a range play for this short. What do we got? Okay, a minute and 15 seconds on the 5. So we might get a... Yeah, 4:15. Yeah, I'm on. I am on this other account now, number 19. I just haven't clicked the. I didn't click down here to sort of highlight it. I'm not sure that actually does anything if you're clicking down here. Actually, no, it doesn't seem to do anything. It just highlights the row. So yeah, I'm on number 19 now. Oh, there it is. There's the push. So we should get 287 here, hopefully. But if it rejects, it should, you know, hopefully come back down, you know, this area at least, potentially even 210. Yeah. 227. Where's that in here? Yeah, okay, let's see what it does. Really want to wait for the... See if it pushes through this level, you know, this 287 level, and then, you know, we get a nice big wick that comes back, and then that's when it'd be worth potentially taking a short against the trend, which I don't like, but, you know, it works. Yeah, you know, it usually works because it usually gets an oversized reversal back, and then, you know, obviously the trend continues, so we'll see. But, you know, again, I've been wrong a lot, so who knows. Okay, here we go. 287 up here. Okay, get in there, come on, push up. See what sort of reaction we get up here. Okay, there's 287. Okay, a little push through. Didn't really sort of explode through, so what do we got? Okay, so we got 4 minutes on the 15. Let's see what happens. 2 pretty big green 15-minute candles there since the open. Let's see if we get a pullback. Okay, there's some more resistance there. Yeah, when you don't blow your account getting the reversal wrong, yeah, that's right. That's why I don't like trading against the trend normally, but, you know, also days when it's, you know, sort of really bullish like this, it's, you know, in the back of your mind, you're thinking, where's the top? You know, is it is it here, or are we at the top already, or was it back here? I mean, you know, and you end up taking the long, and at least in my experience, half the time, or maybe not half, but you know, it goes against you, or it pulls back and you think, you know, it's reversing, I better get out, or you know, hit your stop or whatever, and then it keeps going the way you originally thought it was. But you know, maybe that's where it's worth trading micros. You know, I guess when it's sort of moving too much to deal with a single contract, you know, the drawdown you get from a single contract, let alone, you know, 2 or 3 or, you know, whatever it is. So here we go. So a little pull back down again. So let's see. So we're back below 86, 87. Okay. Can you read all the numbers on the chart okay on the stream? Does it look okay? Like, okay. Okay, now let's see if I don't really want to short it, but it looks like it, you know, might come back up here a little bit and then, you know, just sort of, you know, losing momentum on the upward move. What's that? 5 points there, maybe. Yeah, probably not worth the, you know, 20-point risk. Oh, yep, okay. Let's see what it does. Yeah. Good move not taking a short against the trend, that's for sure, eh? Well, at least not yet anyway. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was a little pullback for the continuation, eh? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, geez. Don't want to chase it. Been caught so many times doing that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, lucky. Okay, nice big wick. New 1 minute candle in 5 seconds. It's not really closing down here though. Yeah. See if it actually gets up here again, or whether we're starting to, you know, consolidate in here, build a little bit of a range. Okay. Okay. Yep, okie dokie. That's a pretty decent wick on the 15. 30 points. Okay, so now 89 becomes support. Let's take a long here again. Our stop market down here. See if we get our move back up again now. Not really getting up there. Might need to come back down potentially here, which should be less than ideal. But maybe might take it off here. It's not really a good trade with a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but it is what it is. Stalling. Okay, new 1 minute. See what we get here. Come back down again to these wicks. Yep. Now let's see if we get the push up. Not looking amazing. Yeah. Yeah, it's not looking amazing at all. Oh well. Bad stop placement, but I'd rather stop there than down here. Okay, so let's see if we close up here. What do we got? 10 seconds on the 1 minute. And also the 5 minute. Okay. Let's see what we get. Okay, new 5 minute, new 1 minute. Here we go. Sort of building a bit of a flag pattern downwards though, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably going to come down, I would say. I'll take it off if it gets back into profit. I just don't think it's going to do what I want it to do this time. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm going to take it off there. I think it's going to continue down. Okay, let's see if we get our bounce here. Oh, little bounce. Okay. Yeah, let's see what we get here, eh? Sort of building a little bit of support here. But, you know, I mean, it could be a curl to go up again too. Which it sort of almost, you know, looks like. Goes up, curls back down, and then, you know, we'll see. So maybe it was a bit premature getting out there, but we'll see. Definitely don't want to be left holding it if it sort of comes down to, you know, 260 or more likely 250. Whereas 250, yeah, back at the, yeah, back at support. try and re-enter. It comes down here. It definitely seems to be curling upwards. See if we get another sweep first though, and then back in up here. I think it should come down to here. It's holding. Okay. Yeah, okay. There we go, eh? See if it pushes up further. They've been consolidating for a while, and, you know, that was a half-assed sweep, but it was a sweep nonetheless. Now, do we get back above these, though? That's the question. Yep, okay. Okay, we've got a minute and 20 seconds on the 5. Yeah, okie dokie. Oh, that's a good one. Pretty big push back down. Let's see if we get our so stop market down there. Let's see if we get a nice bounce back up again. Or we're going to come back down further, which is probably likely, given it failed to break these highs. But anyway, we'll have a go. It looks like it might actually break down here potentially, but let's hope it doesn't. Not looking amazing though. Yeah, there it goes. Shit. Come on, push up. Let's go. I get past these wicks here though. It's not really getting there. Come on, push up. Ah, damn it. All right. Yeah, looks like it's going to come down. Let's hope not. The worst part is when I closed before thinking it's going to continue down, it didn't. Well, you know, sort of came down a little bit further, but it wouldn't have hit my stop. And now, and then it went all the way back up. Now it's coming down to hit it a second time. So yeah, it's going to get it this time. Yep, there it goes. Okay. All right. So we're up 450 on one account, down 445 on the second one. So, yep. Good fun. All right. Are we actually going to get a decent push down here, though? We might do. And if we where's the... Oops, that's not the one we wanted. Let's see our Fibonacci retracements. Have a look at this. Interesting, eh? Down here. Let's see what we get. Okay. Push down, little bounce up. Or is that just a pullback? Let's see. Or are we coming down? At 12:45. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, got 5 seconds on the 1 minute. Let's see what we get. Sort of building a step, yeah, range of steps here to head up maybe, but oh, pretty good push down there. Okay. Okay, is this a bounce to head back up again? Yep. That was it. Gave me a pretty good entry there, but didn't take it. Still scarred from the last one. Alrighty. Pretty good push up there. Yeah, I might, yeah, it's a pretty risky trade, but I'll wait for it to come back down and then, missed it, okay. I think it's going to head up here, so we'll, bit of consolidation, downward chop, you know, push down, reconsolidate, then head back up again, hopefully. So, alright, I might jump in here, which is not a great entry, but we might get. Okay, so stop market. Might just take it off for a few points up here this time, I think, because I'm not convinced. See what we get. Could have been a better entry, that's for sure. Yeah, it's not breaking through here, so I'm going to take it off. See if I can get back to break even at least, or do I pay the price yet again for not getting out when I could have? Oh, a little push up, come on, go, go, go. Nah, nah, rejected. Yeah, should have taken it off. Silly, silly, silly move. Oh no, little bounce. Come on, push, 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 push. No, that was the chance, eh? Come on, push it up. Yeah, it's really getting stuck there, isn't it? Oh, a little push through. Oh, straight back down. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Gonna come back down and sweep all this stuff down here, unfortunately, by the look of things. Yep. No. See if this holds on it. Like the chances new 1 minute. Starting. Yeah, I mean, starting lower, I guess, not ideal, but it could be part of the curl. But I think it does come back down here first, though. Yeah, there we go. And now it's probably going to fully bounce from where my stop was. Yeah, of course it is. Okay. Yeah, well, I mean, that was perfect stop placement to be bottom tick. That was amazing work right there. Oh, well. Where are we down now? 750. That's not great. All right, let's go to account number 17. Switch. So I'll leave that account because I don't want to lose any more on that one today. So we'll go to number 17. Let's see what we can do there. Yeah, I don't really want to buy it here, but it does sort of look like that was the push down. Yeah, of course it is. Yeah. All right. See if we get a little bit of a move down here so we can get in long for the push upwards. No. Oh, that was terrible stop placement. I mean, you know, you just can't write that shit, can you? Where is it? Number 19. I mean, look, just amazing stop placement right there. Just bottom ticked and then took off. So, I mean, it was a shit entry to start with. That's that at 78, but it is what it is. And there's a sweep to the upside. So it could actually come down here potentially. So back to number 17. Yeah, might come back down and clean this up potentially. So I might take a short here and get that quick push down, and then I'll put the limit order down. Let's go. Well, ideally it'd be nice down there, but I don't think we're getting that somehow. I think it's going to be a range scalp, this one. Come on, give me a little bit more than that, please. It's going to head back up in a second if I don't get out of this soon. Okay. I'm going to take it off there because I just don't trust that. It was a pretty crappy scalp. I do like it to come down here and then head back up, so I might. It's a pretty big stop, sell stop. See if it comes down and wicks us in and then. Or just goes by itself. It does seem to be slowing down though, so let's see what we get. Might actually take that off. Really slowing down now. Is any news? There we go. So ISM was 20 minutes ago. Nothing really happened then. Yeah, nothing really. At least not the next couple of hours anyway. That'll be a problem. So that's okay. Alrighty. Just keep watching this. Oh, the music stopped. That's no good. Let's go. Get that going again. There we go. Okay. G'day. Alright, let's take the long for the push up and hope it goes. Not a great start, but anyway. So I'll limit 1 up there. So I'll stop down there. Gotta get past these wicks here. Oh no. It'll push, come on. Oh, it's fighting hard. Okay. Okay, take it off there. I'm just concerned it's going to reject off this double top here. Or you know, push through and make a heap of money. But anyway, that's all right. So up 305 on this account now for the day. Let's see what we get. Yeah, there's a little push back down again off the double top. Probably not enough to push it down too far though, I wouldn't think. Pretty bullish. I mean, the 15 minutes just going up, you know. Although, what have we got left? We've got a little bit of time left. Let's see. Okay, so it did sort of push up. Now coming back a bit. Okay. Debating whether to get back in long for the push up. Oh no, okay. Pretty decent push back there. So down, they're up, what's that, 720 and then down 755 on another account. So yeah, you know, not a great day. In fact, what do we got? 97. I might actually take, I'll go back to number 19. And I might try and put a long here if it doesn't push past. No, it's pushing past, okay. So it's gonna, you know, have a pretty tight stop there, so I'm not gonna lose too much, but potentially sort of get, you know, 15 points there. Okay, big wick down. Yeah, I think I'll leave that at the moment. It's funny how the trend played out. I drew this this line. What's that? 3 o'clock? Yeah, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, my time, which was, you know, a fair while ago to be honest. And it just sort of followed along on the 15, and obviously then pushed down, but then recovered pretty quickly. Funny how that works. I might give us a second. I'll be back in a moment, guys. Alrighty. See if we can get this account back on track. Okay. So that did reject and come back down. Hasn't broken the 15-minute support, that 260. Got down there, but didn't get through it. It's interesting. So where's 260? Just there. Okay. Yep. Oh, geez, it looks like a good short, but I just don't want to do it. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Might try the range scalp here to see if we get the little push back down, I hope. Ugh. Which account am I on? 19. Oh, the one that's not doing well. Okay. Oh, geez. Yeah, that was not a great trade. I'm just hoping this is the point it rejects and comes down. Here we go. Push down, come on. Push down. Oh, this is not going to break that, is it? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Pump it down. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Bounce straight back up again. Yeah, it could be heading up now, eh? Yep. And had I kept my limit order there, where I had it originally, would have been out with a profit. So let's see, hopefully we get another chance. What do we got? Okay, got a few minutes left on the 5. Let's see. Okay, I'll take it off there. I just don't know. Okay, what are we down? 610 on that account. So we're actually up for the day overall, but nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Oh, there it goes. I have a habit of doing that, taking it off when I think it's not really looking right, and then off it goes. Or like before, getting bottom ticked, and then it actually going, you know, what do we go there? You know, 40, 50 points in my favour. Not that I would have held it all that time anyway, but, you know, I probably would have actually, you know, most likely closed it around this level anyway, so it's not going to claim it. I would have held it up to that, because I wouldn't have. Alright, let's see what we get here. So we've got 242 and we've got 247. 247's there. lots of lower highs, apart from that one obviously, but it looks very very curlish though, you know. I'll try the long again, see if it burns me or not. Stop market down there, and let's go for limit order up here and see if we get that push up that we were hoping for. Of course, I could just bloody fall off a cliff here. Didn't really get all the way through, and a little bit more this time. Push, 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 go. It's going to come back down. I might just take it off, I think. Now it'll blast through because I've taken it off. Yeah, look at it just sort of seemed to be holding there for too long. But, you know, obviously wrong again. That's okay. At least I made a little bit of money there. Still down 500 on that account though. See if we hold this level here, or we actually, you know, start to push through. I might actually put a little bit of a pivot there, maybe. Yeah, I don't really like entering in the middle of a range like that. Yeah, of course it's going to keep going up now. Okay. But I've learned not to chase it, you know, because, you know, I would have got in long here and we're going to come down now, are we? Yep. Let's see if we're going to bounce now. Yep, okay. What we got? Okay, 4 seconds. It'll push up these wicks, and then we're going to go down. We're going to go up. Going up. Bit choppy today. I mean, you know, this was a decent move, but this, yeah, what's a, you know, pretty decent range though. What's that? Let's call it 310 down to, well, the main range area is just 265. So, you know, a decent sort of range there. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely very rangy. Might put a sell stop down here and a buy limit down here and see if we get a bit of a push down here to these levels. It's only 10 points, so it's only 200 bucks. Is it worth the risk? I'm not sure. I guess I could always try shorting it here and have a 5-point stop. Maybe that's the way to go.
Yeah, let's give that a go. Oops. Oh, that was a crappy entry. Bloody market entries. Alright, let's... Come on, push down. Alright, we'll take it off there for a nice little scalp. What do we get then? So we're down 445. Wasn't many points. What was that? 3 points. Maybe. Well, it's not showing the actual entry. Anyway, we'll look at that later on. Was... Yeah, 300 milliseconds latency from Australia is not amazing for market orders, that's for sure. Because on my screen, when I clicked it, it was up here, and then all of a sudden I get filled down here. What's that? 4 points lower. Definitely, definitely not amazing. Okay. Sort of low to take the short here because it looks like it might actually just pop through. A little pop through, then a little push, pull back. But it should sort of keep going here, I'd imagine. Jeez. Horrible price action. Pretty decent for range scalpers, I guess. At least it's not bloody 5 points like in the Asia, Asia market times. I've tried trading that a few times. It's a nightmare. Or you'll get in and it'll just grind and grind and grind against you, and then, before you know it, you're down. Well, it's moving that slow. It's sort of creeping up on you like boiling a frog, And eventually you go like, oh, look, I'm down 20 points. That's, that's great. Alrighty, let's see. Yeah. 10 point, so it's 10 points there. $10 there. Is it 10? 77. Oh yeah, 12 points, okay. Oh, this is looking good for a short, but it could bust through. All right, let's try the short. We'll put our stop up here, which it looks like it's going to hit straight away. That's awesome. I should, seeing it opened here, that was not a great trade. And has it just top ticked it? No, I think it is going to keep going up, but I'll wait. What I really need to wait for is the move back down. Clean these wicks up down here, maybe it's worth the stop order, and then well, if it comes down with any sort of momentum, I guess it could actually come down to just 239 level. Where's that? Yeah, around there. Let's see. That'll be pretty quick. It's a pretty big stop. 70, 80, 90. Oof. Yeah, okay. No, it did top tick me almost too. Pretty funny. Okay. Push back up, please. Okay. Oops. Oh, here we go. It's going to push up to my stop again, is it? Looks like it might. Yeah, look at it going. Oh, jeez. It's definitely less than amazing. Yeah, amazing trade. All right. Quarter of a point. There he goes. All right. 785. That's not great, but and it was a top ticked again. Yeah. Not having much luck tonight with that. Definitely looks pretty bullish in the 15 now though. So 2 candle pullback and then big green candle and then continuing up. Yeah, all right. Let's take the long again. One more go. Sell limit up here. We'll put another buy market here. We'll put a sell stop down here. This will definitely make this account problematic to fix if I get this one wrong. But anyway, let's have a go. Oh, we're down 785 plus whatever the drawdown is. So it's another 4. What's that? 350 if it comes back down here. Anyway, let's see if we can get a clean push through this level here. Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, that is amazing work. Not that I think it's going to get there now, but anyway, let's have a go. If we get a good push and a close up here, or in 10 seconds, yeah. Let's see. It's not looking great though. Okay, new candle. Come on, big push, or is it going to just come straight down? Come on, big push up, let's go. Okay. Come on, don't slow down, keep going, that's it. Push through, let's go. Big push through, come on. Come on. Push, 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 that's it. Get up there. Ugh. Come on. Let's go, let's go. New candle. Come on, baby. Push it through. New 5 as well. Come on. Come on. Oh, geez. Gonna get bottom ticked again, eh? So add a second one. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Otherwise, you're going to stop down on 2, stop down on 1, stop down on 2. Okay, all right. So we're down 1100, well, 1155 in that account now. So that's not a great result. And this could actually push down here now, actually. Could be what we were looking for. Yeah, look at it. All right, try one more on this account 17. I'll leave that one till tomorrow. We'll bounce there. Oops. Come on, big push down, please. It's trying to bounce, but hopefully we'll keep going. That's the one. Keep going a little bit more, please. Yeah, I'll take it off there because it looks like it's going to bounce. Okay, so what are we up now? 460, 460, and then down 1100. So one account's pretty well boned. The other two are looking okay. Come down here. Now, do we come back up here and then continue down? Pretty decent range. A 50-point range there. All right, almost 2 AM. Not sure if I want to take another one now. Let's see what we got here. See if that was a double bottom, but it hasn't really pushed up as quickly as I would have hoped. If it breaks, what's that? The 253-ish level. 247, I guess, was a support previously. It's gonna go. Yeah. I guess we won't know who's winning the election and stuff until, well, a couple of weeks in some areas, I guess. But we'll see what comes out later on this evening, my time, that is. So, which is, it's 2:55 AM here at the moment. So we'll see what it looks like in 10 hours or so. Okay, there's a push down. Okay. So let's see if we get past 245. And, you know, maybe it's worth actually putting a sell stop in here for the continuation down. It's a pretty decent move if we get it, but maybe that there. Or those are going to sweep this, stop, wick me in, then bloody bounce up again. Yeah, I think I might take that off. Okay, so yeah, looking pretty bouncy there. Okay, so we pushed up to the wicks there at, what's that, 57, 58, yep. And now we're coming back down. It's not a good trade, but I might take it short up here and see if we can get a stop market. Hopefully get a rejection here again. All right, getting a bounce instead, that's amazing. Well, at least it didn't bloody wick me out straight away, but now it's going to have another go though, now that I've said that. Yep. That's funny. Come on, let's go down, please. But I think it's going up. Yeah, it's not really pushing down, is it? Oh, a little bit, maybe. Come on, come on. Oh, back in profit for a split second. And now it's going to go straight back up. There we go. Yeah. Well. Come on. Straight down, please. That's it. Get down there. Come on. Push it hard. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's not looking great, is it? Come on. Don't go up there, please. Well, it did give me a chance to get out, didn't it? You know, so I guess this is the, you know, sometimes you pay the price for not taking the opportunity. All right, I'll take it off, break even. Just didn't want to end up with it bloody ripping back up on me again. Oh, almost break even. It would have been break even if it triggered when I pressed the button, but anyway. Grab a drink. Alrighty. It's going to come down, isn't it? Yep. It's funny. Well. We might actually get a push down here, eh? Yeah, geez, eh? Had the right idea, but just got in too early and then got sort of shaken out by the, yeah, I didn't expect this move up again. Oh, geez. All right, 2 a.m. I might actually leave it there, guys. So, thank you. If you watch your stream later on with my my one viewer at the moment, but anyway, obviously first stream, not you know, not expecting much. So, I will see you all tomorrow. Well, tomorrow night my time, but yeah, tomorrow during the day for probably for the majority of you guys. So take care, and we'll see you then.